How to transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. If you've been wondering how to do this safely and easily, just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. So to transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet, first you'll need to open your Bitget Exchange app. Once it's open, log in by entering your credentials. After you've logged in, head to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the Assets tab. Now at the top of the screen, tap on Spot. After that, select the Withdraw option, and you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for withdrawal. Let's say you want to withdraw USDT. Simply tap on USDT and then select the On-Chain Withdrawal option. The app will automatically choose a network, but if you want to change it, just tap the drop-down arrow. For this tutorial, I'm going with TRC20 for USDT. Next, open your Bitget Wallet app to get the withdrawal address. Tap on the Deposit option, then select On-Chain Deposit. Now select USDT, then find USDT on the TRC20 network. Tap on it, and you'll see both a QR code and the deposit address. Copy the deposit address. Head back to the Bitget Exchange app and paste the deposit address in the Withdrawal Address field. Now enter the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. Once everything is entered correctly, tap on the Withdraw button at the bottom of the screen. Lastly, all you have to do is wait for the transaction to be completed. Once it's processed, your crypto will be successfully transferred from your Bitget Exchange account to your Bitget Wallet. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your cryptocurrency from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.